Hey everybody, this is Dory coming in a different location today. I just want to say welcome back to my channel, to you and myself, because sometimes I feel like I am never going to record a video again because of how my life has been. Just like no time to myself, no quiet. But today I wanted to pop on and unbox my very first handbag purchase of the year. I don't know how many handbags I'm going to purchased this year. I feel like I'm really happy with my collection, but new things are always going to come out. But so far, I'm not interested in much. But I wanted to try a different brand. And I want to give a shout out right now to a channel by the name of Sunshine Fashion Love. She is so great. She recently did a video on the Walmart Birkin, and at the end of the video, she mentioned this bag that I'm going to unbox with you today. But funny thing, I've been talking to her for, it's crazy, the last 2-3 months, all the time on Instagram. And we were chatting so much that I didn't even know that she had a channel. We were just talking as people, not about bags or anything, but just talking as people, chatting it up. And I didn't know she had a channel until I went to her Instagram page and was like, oh dude, she's on YouTube. She's actually making videos. So I thought that was pretty funny. Yeah, she recently made a video on the Walmart Birkin. And at the end of the video, she mentioned like a bunch of other dupes that are out there. And I got really curious. So this package is from Quince. I have been really curious about this particular company, specifically for their knitwear. I really like getting my knitwear from Suzanne. I haven't purchased anything from them in a few years because their quality is really good, so I don't really need to keep buying. This is called the Emil cardigan from Suzanne, and I have really sensitive skin, so I prefer to wear natural materials. And Quince makes really good knitwear out of natural materials like cotton and wool and cashmere and things like that. And they actually make bedding and things like that too. So I was more interested in their knitwear and bedding, but here I am with a handbag as my first purchase because the Sunshine Fashion Love channel really sparked a little bit of joy in me again in buying handbags with that video she made. So I decided to go ahead and buy one. I've been so satisfied with what I have that I just wasn't in the mood to buy anything the last few months. But this dupe made me very curious. I wanted to unbox it on camera with you guys because I've never ordered from Quince before. So far, the bag is really big, came folded in half. It was shipped from Dallas, which is about a couple hours north from me. And it came over the weekend. It got delivered on Monday. I think I ordered it maybe Wednesday or Thursday of last week. So a decent amount of time. This is the box that it is in. And I wanted to talk to you guys about this bag. Well, it's not available right now in any of the colors as I'm filming this, but it's available in like camel color, a black color, and a wine color, like a bordeaux burgundy color. And that's the one thing I would say about Quince, because I considered Quince to be like a dupe city, dress up your purse. I don't really like dress up your purse all that much. I think it's okay quality and things like that, but as you guys notice, I don't really push it as much as other influencers or people on in the handbag community. It is nothing against dress up your purse as a brand. I just don't think it's for me, mainly because I made the correlation that they tend to dupe Louis Vuitton a lot, and Louis Vuitton is probably my least favorite brand. And I noticed that the people who do push dress up your purse a lot, they also have a lot of Louis Vuitton bags and SLGs and things. So it kind of matches up. If you like Louis Vuitton, you will dress up your purse. So I was curious about Quince because they dupe a lot of different brands from Coach all the way up to like Bottega Veneta. So I think it has a little bit more variety for me. So I was very curious. So here's the bag. I kind of just broke it open, and this is how it comes. If you're curious and never ordered from Quince like me, it's like this see-through kind of bag. So I'm very impressed with how it's wrapped. Dust bag is pretty good as well. It's a very thin cotton or thin linen kind of feel to it, and some drawstrings. So this size looks like it's going to be equivalent to the small. So as I get into it, I'll tell you what it is. It is the dupe of the Loewe puzzle bag. And as you guys know, I got the horse clementine. If you haven't seen those videos before, if you're new here, I'll link them for you. But I got the horse clementine because I always wanted the small size of the Loewe puzzle bag. That's originally what got me into handbags, is because I gave birth to my son and I wanted a diaper bag that still felt like me and not so much like a mom bag. And I thought that was perfect till I clicked on it and I was like, oh God, it's over $1,000. I don't need to get that. I didn't know who Loewe was. I wasn't into handbags or luxury or anything like that at the time. So I was kind of bummed out, but that bag has never left my mind. So Sunshine Fashion Love put me onto this dupe from Quince and I ordered it. And oh my God, you guys, I'm going to show you the back. I got it in the wine color, the bordeaux color, because I don't have any red bags and all the other colors were sold out. But this is the back. Oh my gosh. I hope this is coming true to color. If not, I'll try to film it in better lighting because I had to sneak away to do this video. Oh my God. This is equivalent to the small size workable zip pocket. That's actually pretty generous. It's made from top grain Italian leather. So if you are like me and do not like that PU leather, I think this is a good option if you're looking for a dupe for the Loewe puzzle bag. I'm gonna open it up. It comes with a long strap as well. So one thing I did notice on the pictures of this particular strap is that it doesn't have that thicker band that will go around your shoulder like the Loewe version does have. It's just a regular old thin strap. Hardware feels good. I'm very impressed. This is my first purchase ever from Quince, so I do think I will be returning. I did like the black. I liked all the colors actually, but I wanted to get something different because I don't need any more black and brown bags, even though I might return for that natural color. And I figured this one would be good because I wanted red, but I didn't feel like I wore red enough. But this one is more of a wine bordeaux color. I think it can work pretty seamlessly in my wardrobe, especially during the fall, especially when I'm wearing more tan neutrals. But this is the bag. Let's open it up. It has a magnetic opening, which is another difference from the Loewe puzzle bag. The Loewe puzzle bag has, I think the main complaint for that bag was actually the opening, because the Loewe puzzle, I'll probably put some shots of that, but you open it here and then there's a zipper. So that compartment made people annoyed, and I can see why, but I think on this size, which would be equivalent to the small, they didn't have as much trouble getting in and out of the bag. But this is nice because it opens up just like this. It's not cumbersome, but the same opening as the horse. And it has a side pocket. It's lined in the same color fabric though, which feels really good, like a cotton. Back pocket, generous back pocket as well. I'm happy. I can't believe it's as good as it is. The one thing that I am concerned, or not so much anymore that I took the stuffing out, because the Loewe puzzle bag, I think you have to work for the slouch, which is why I appreciated the horse. And that kind of scratched the itch for the puzzle bag for me, because sure, it didn't have the patchwork on it, but it gave the slouch immediately. I didn't have to work for it over a number of years. This one, I don't think you have to work for it either. It slouches a little bit. So this is how the slouch is looking with nothing in it. I think this is like a really, really cool dupe. This might actually be like the best Loewe puzzle bag dupe that I have seen. I think the horse kind of stands on its own as a bag. It is comparable to the puzzle, but I think it just stands alone as a bag. I don't really know if it's fair to compare it or use it as a, or say it's a dupe, because it does not have the patchwork going through there. So if you are interested in the Loewe puzzle bag dupe and you do not like the puzzle edge, you want the original version, this is a good alternative. It has feet on the bottom. The only difference is there is no zipper on the inner flap and there's no thicker part on the strap here. But otherwise, this is an amazing little dupe. Great leather. It smells kind of like that leather, like new shoe kind of smell. And I really like the color. I'm actually happy. I was concerned because it's a red and I don't really do too well with wearing red, and the silver hardware with the red, I was concerned, but I'm actually really happy with this. So yeah, this is the unboxing. I'll come back with more videos because I want to compare it to a couple of things, or at least with the horse. I hope this was helpful. This is the puzzle, so this is called the Patchwork Italian leather bag, I believe. I'll link it down below if you're interested. But this is really impressive. I'm very happy. Thank you so much to Sunshine Fashion Love for putting me onto this. You guys know I'm always looking for a puzzle dupe. And I will talk to you soon. Hope this was helpful. Adios!